Attention single moms. Ready to break free financially? Join Money Smart Basics as we take on the challenge of helping single moms achieve financial freedom by 2025. Let's see if it's really possible together. Stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Being a single mother is a rewarding and challenging experience. It's a journey filled with love, growth, and countless moments of joy. But it also comes with its own set of unique financial challenges. It requires immense strength, resilience, and resourcefulness, particularly when it comes to finances. Balancing work, childcare, and household responsibilities can be daunting, but with the right strategies, it is possible to manage effectively. Single mothers often face unique financial hurdles, from managing household expenses on a single income to juggling childcare costs. These challenges can sometimes feel insurmountable, but they also present opportunities to develop strong financial habits and skills. The weight of these responsibilities can feel overwhelming at times. It's not uncommon to feel stressed or anxious about making ends meet, especially when unexpected expenses arise. It is important to remember that you are not alone. There are many resources and communities available to support you. Connecting with other single mothers can provide emotional support and practical advice. Many single mothers successfully navigate these challenges and achieve financial stability. Celebrating small victories along the way can boost your confidence and keep you motivated. This essay will provide practical advice, resources, and encouragement to help you take control of your finances and build a secure future for yourself and your children. From budgeting tips to investment strategies, we will cover a range of topics to empower you on your financial journey. A strong financial foundation begins with understanding your current financial situation. Knowing where you stand financially is the first step towards making informed decisions. Take some time to assess your income, expenses, debts, and assets. This process might seem tedious, but it's crucial for creating a realistic budget and financial plan. This clear picture will be your roadmap to making informed financial decisions. Setting financial goals, both short-term and long-term, can provide direction and purpose. Remember, financial stability is not about instant wealth. It's a journey of small, consistent steps that lead to significant long-term results. By staying committed to your financial plan and seeking support when needed, you can build a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your children. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of financial stability. It's the first step towards taking control of your financial future and ensuring that you can meet your needs and achieve your goals. It might seem daunting at first, especially if you're not used to tracking your spending or if you're dealing with financial stress. But think of it as a roadmap to your financial goals. A well-planned budget can guide you through the complexities of managing your money, helping you make informed decisions. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Write down every source of income and every expense, no matter how small. This will reveal where your money is going and highlight areas where you can cut back. You might be surprised to see how much you spend on non-essential items. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. Be honest with yourself about your needs and wants. Allocate funds for essential needs like housing, food, and utilities. These are your top priorities and should be covered first, and set aside a portion for savings, even if it's a small amount. Building a savings habit is crucial for financial security and can help you handle unexpected expenses. Look for opportunities to reduce discretionary spending. This might mean cutting back on dining out, entertainment, or other non-essential purchases. Consider affordable alternatives for entertainment, dining out, or clothing. For example, cooking at home instead of eating out can save a significant amount of money. Every dollar saved brings you closer to financial freedom. It's not just about cutting costs, but about making smarter choices with your money. Remember, a budget is not about restricting yourself. It's about making conscious choices that empower you to reach your financial goals. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating a plan that works for you. Saving money is crucial for financial security, even if it seems impossible at times. Many people feel overwhelmed by the idea of saving, especially when they are living paycheck to paycheck. However, with a few simple strategies, anyone can start building a financial cushion. Start by setting small, achievable saving goals, like creating an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This doesn't have to be a large amount. Even setting aside a few dollars each week can make a big difference over time. Labeling jars for different savings goals can help you stay organized and motivated. This will give you peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt when unexpected costs arise. Knowing that you have a safety net can reduce stress and allow you to focus on other financial goals. Automating your savings is a powerful strategy to ensure consistency. By setting up automatic transfers, you remove the temptation to spend the money instead. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that can lead to substantial savings over time. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you won't even miss the money because it will be transferred before you have a chance to spend it. You can start with a small amount and gradually increase it as you become more comfortable. You can even automate contributions to a retirement account, even if it's a small amount to start. Over time, these small contributions can grow significantly, thanks to the power of compound interest. It's never too early or too late to start saving for retirement. Treat savings like any other essential bill, and you'll be surprised how quickly it grows. By making savings a priority, you ensure that it happens regularly. Consider it a non-negotiable part of your budget, just like rent or utilities. Remember, even small, consistent savings can add up to significant amounts over time. The key is to start now and stay consistent. Every little bit helps, and before you know it, you'll have a substantial savings cushion to fall back on. Your earning potential is your greatest asset. Prioritizing your career can significantly impact your financial well-being. Seek opportunities for professional development, such as taking courses or attending workshops to enhance your skills and increase your earning power. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary or ask for a raise when it's deserved. Your skills and experience are valuable, and you deserve to be compensated fairly. Consider exploring side hustles or freelance opportunities to supplement your income. Remember, investing in yourself is an investment in your financial future. Section 5. The power of community. Seeking support from others. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Lean on your support network, whether it's family, friends, or other single mothers. Don't hesitate to ask for help with childcare, errands, or emotional support when needed. Consider joining single-parent support groups or online communities. Sharing experiences and advice with others who understand your challenges can provide invaluable support and encouragement. Remember, seeking support from others is a sign of strength, not weakness. Section 6. Navigating the digital age online resources for single moms. In today's digital age, a wealth of resources is available to support single mothers on their financial journey. Numerous websites, online communities, and social media groups provide advice, information, and a sense of community. Explore reputable financial websites for tips on budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Many offer free resources and tools designed specifically for single mothers. Online forums and social media groups can provide a platform to connect with other single mothers, share experiences, and seek advice. Remember to be discerning with online information and verify the credibility of sources before making financial decisions. Section 7. Knowledge is power. Staying informed about finances. Staying informed about financial matters is crucial for making sound financial decisions. Subscribe to reputable financial newsletters, read personal finance blogs, and listen to podcasts that offer practical advice and insights. Educate yourself about different investment options, retirement planning, and strategies for managing debt effectively. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that benefit you and your children. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Section 8. Building a brighter future. Financial security for you and your children. Achieving financial stability as a single mother is an empowering accomplishment that brings numerous benefits. It provides peace of mind, knowing you can provide for your children's needs and create a secure future for your family. Financial security allows you to make choices that align with your values and aspirations, whether pursuing further education, starting a business, or simply having the flexibility to spend quality time with your loved ones. Remember, every step you take towards financial stability is an investment in a brighter future for you and your children. Section 9. You are not alone. Embracing the journey. The journey of single motherhood is filled with challenges and rewards. Remember to celebrate your strength, resilience, and resourcefulness. Embrace the journey, knowing that you are capable of achieving financial stability and creating a bright future for yourself and your children. Seek support from others, take advantage of available resources, and never underestimate your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Remember, you are not alone and your dreams are worth pursuing. Congratulations! You made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here's the bonus tip that we promised. If your budget looks like a squeeze, you're not alone. Over 80% of single moms live paycheck to paycheck. Here's a tip. Create a budget and stick to it. Track every dollar. Small changes add up. You got this, Mom. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.